Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and I am here for Tiny Tuesday. I redid the front of my binder because I wasn't sure if tinies was spelled Tiny_S or Tinies, and I still think I don't know. I thought I knew, but now I don't. So I just made it Tiny Tuesday, and I did fix this. So I just put Tiny Tuesday here. So this is our active games that we're playing with and our little challenges that we're already have started. And then I have some extras. So I have some new ones in here. And then I have a little bit of Halloween. And I really just have Becca Budgets 777. I haven't been able to cut out the rest that I have. And then these are just some of mine that are extras that I don't always want to play with mine, but I want to have them here just in case. And then I have some of mine and they're Christmas or Christmas in July, and I just have all of it in here because in November and December, I might still use the Christmas and July ones. So I want to have those here. So yeah, I have new ones in there, but I'm going to show my little tinies that I have. So this is how I already cut these out, but this is how it comes. So it's a little, it's still tiny if it's in here. And this is on my website and on Etsy, and it's 4 to the page. So I have cozy tinies, and this is where I spelled it the other way. So I don't know if anyone wants to correct me, I will totally fix it. So I have cozy tinies and cute tinies. And then this is, so that's 100%. And I shrunk it down to 85% because, I like tiny things. So I cut out the cozy tinies because it's so hot here in Vegas. I just want to be cozy. I just want to be cold, but get warm with blankets. I don't know, fireplace, slippers, just all the candles. I'm lighting Christmas candles and fall candles right now. I actually don't have anything lit today because I don't know what Babe was thinking. He was probably like, what season is it? So I just wanted to show you those, but I'm going to put these in this extras because I do want to use these because they're really cute. So again, they're on my Etsy and on my website if you are interested, and it comes 4 to a page. And I am working on some more items because I'm putting all of my digitals eventually will end up on Etsy as well as my website, I think. And then Ko-fi is just going to be strictly freebies, and I'm trying to upload a couple times a month. So I was trying to do weekly. I still might, just stretched a little thin, and I don't want to overdo it and just burn out. So, and then my little randomizer, somebody did, I think it was Lauren, asked if my randomizer was just like a bookshelves in the background, and yes, it is. So if I didn't answer you in your comments and you happen to watch this one, there you go. All right, so we have our 6 tinies. I did not need to take the money out. We can leave our tiny money in here because we just keep it all in here while we're playing, and as soon as it's finished, we move the finished money into our randomizer money, which is empty because we just did our fun randomizer video. Okay, so we have Hey K Budgets, her Christmas in August. So we've got a back to school theme with the blackboard and really cute Christmas trees. And then this is from Our Beautiful Budgets, super cute little dino and dino eggs. So that'll go in the 4 spot. And then again, I know it's not Halloween yet, but I am feeling all the fall vibes. So Becca Budget 777, cute little Dracula. That's going to be in the number 1 spot. And then I know I'm playing with the Olympic ones in my minis, but it's Olympics right now, so I kind of want to go full throttle on support on that. So I have these, each are worth $1, and I will put it in 5 and 4. And then the bunny on the unicycle from Bookish Mama Budgets. Did I say this was Budget with Tiffany? I should have, if I didn't. Okay. It'll be linked below. But yeah. And Bookish Mama Budgets with the cute little ornament with the bunny riding the unicycle. I made each one of these $1. Okay. And I did count it. I think we have $35. Okay, so let's get started with Tiny Tuesday. I'm super excited to see. I don't think we'll finish anything. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. It kind of depends on how many it gets. It might be, it might get one each Tuesday, or I might just make it like 5, 5, 5. I don't know. We'll see how it goes, because we'll see. I'm just so excited. Okay. I hope everyone's having a great week. And I usually do $1 a piece, but I have more money than I normally do. I don't know what to do. I guess because I normally do $1, I guess I'll keep that up. And 5, 4. I am filming this on Sunday. Having a great day so far. Yeah. Doing a lot of filming, editing, all the things. Working on getting the last little bit of the prizes out. There's 2 people that still have to claim it. So if you think you might have entered my 1K giveaway, go back to Sunday's weekly cash stuffing video and just check the screen, because I put it in there, and I might have put it in the comments, but I know I put it on the screen. 6. Oh my gosh, 3 again. 6. 4. I have more money, so hopefully the odds are in our favor. May they ever be in our favor. 1, 3, yay. 1, 1, 6. Ooh, that was a slow roll. 2. 6 again. 1, 1, 1. Okay. 4, 1, 4. Oh, it went down the other side, which comes out on the other side, and that's also a 4. Judges are gonna allow it. I'm the judge. 2, couple more bucks. 6, 3, 2. I think 3 more dollars. 2, 1, and last dollar is 1. Holy cow! I think we finished 1 like 17 times. So, all right, put the dice back. I'll clean up, straighten up, and we will see what we got. Okay, so I have my Sharpie, and I'm glad it was this one, because it looks like we have a lot of 1s, so we should be good, I think. All right, so I'll start with this Tiny Olympics from Budget with Tiffany. I think this was her reaching her 500 subs, and it's a freebie on her page. I don't know why I put it over there. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, and $4 today. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is in play, so we'll put that there, and the money can go right here. Next one, we'll do the little bunny with the unicycle. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this one just needs 4 more. And then let's see what the soccer one got. It got $2. It's better than nothing, right? So 1 and 2. And this is still in play. Let's do the cute little dino eggs. Let's see. I'm going to make each one $1. 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Good thing my excuse is it's Sunday, even though this is out on Tuesday. All right, so our beautiful budgets dino eggs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is fun. So I know we're not really finishing any, and that is okay because we finished a lot in July. So this is a new one. This is the Becca Budget 777. Cute little Dracula. Looks like he's got his little pail, little pumpkin bat pail. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. And last but not least, we've got Hey K Budgets. And yeah, I think I'm going to do it each week. Because that's bringing the Christmas spirit around and the little back to school feel that is fun. And I don't know what to do to... So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I think I'm just going to do that. So we got 7 here. And there we go. So now, since we didn't finish anything, this money and these challenges go right back into the Tiny Tuesday folder because everything is in play. And it just gets added to this money and we are set. Well, that was super fast. My mini Monday video was very short, and this one looks like it's going to be very short. So my videos over the weekend were not short. So I hope you all can join me Thursday evening for my live. I'm going to do my scratch offs and my games binder. And I think I have 2 games I'm going to try that are new. And yeah, everyone that stops by, we always have a really fun time and meet new people sometimes. So I would love for, if you're hearing this, to maybe pop on my live on YouTube, and it's 5:15 Pacific and 8:15 Eastern time. And yeah, it's usually about an hour. This past one, it was almost 2 hours. That's not normal, but so it's usually about an hour, hour and a half. So I hope you can make it. And until next time, take care. Bye.